Hello again. You might think that peace comes after everything's been sorted out, after your partner gets sober, or, after you've left, or after sometime in the future. But it doesn't come after everything is resolved. It comes from practice. So, what do I mean by that? It comes from noticing when you get activated, when you get into a state of arousal, when your heart's pounding and you're feeling your muscles are all tense and your breathing is very shallow and you can't think straight, that noticing when you've been activated. It comes from stepping back instead of leaning in, and it comes from choosing regulation over reaction. So that's when peace comes. I'll say that all again. Peace comes from noticing when you get activated, and you can just say to yourself, I've noticed that I've become activated. When you step back, instead of leaning into an argument or a situation or a dispute, it comes from choosing regulation over the reaction, noticing your body. I'm reacting to what's going on in front of me. Pause, take a deep breath, and choose how to regulate yourself. And we're going to look at how you regulate yourself and get your nervous system reset. It's a bit like resetting the controls on your computer. Learn to locate your reset button and get yourself in a calm, peaceful state. Peace is trained, it's like a muscle, and you can learn how to put yourself into a state of peace. And every time you learn to return to yourself, it strengthens like muscles strengthen. So bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll look at your life gets to be about you again.